Pag kaya nilang magtanggal, kaya nilang magdagdag, kaya nilang mag-blend, kaya nilang mag-dismantle, that tells you that they have a full hold of the sounds that they can hear and that they will learn. Model how a phoneme is deleted. So in the word pop, remove the p at the start, then you're left with the ot. That's how you delete it. In the word pop, if you remove the ts, then it becomes an op. For example, kids 1, 3, 6 will be t. Kids 2, 4, 8 will be a, and 5 and 7 will be b. So call the numbers, have them pair up based on the combination you said. You can make that, you can make tab, you can make abs. It's complex because you have to have knowledge on what's the initial lineup of the sounds. If we substitute the first sound of that to what is our new word, then it will be hat. Right? Let's work on their weaknesses by coming from their strength. Communication is the key, making them feel safe, and definitely engaging them into the process.